Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this glam smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So I'm first using the Ace Beauty Falling For You eyeshadow palette. I was gifted this from Boxy Charm to review, and I'm taking this shade here as my transition shade in the crease. After that, I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and further deepening the crease with this, just to create some more depth to the eye. I really love the colours in this palette as they're very autumnal for this time of year, and you can create so many different looks with the mattes and shimmers that are in it too. And then going back in with that transition shade that we used first, just to blend it all away. I'm next taking this shade here and focusing that to the outer edge of the eye. And then blending that back out with the transition shade. You want to use this shade every time you use a new shadow, as it will keep a nice smooth blend all the way through the eye. I'm next taking this gorgeous shimmer shadow across the eyelid space, focusing it more in the middle than anywhere else. Then using the shimmer in the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette and focusing this in the inner corner part of the eye. This is really optional, but I do feel that it created more of an open eye effect. After that, going in with NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, and I'm starting from the inner corner of the eye and drawing that line straight out to the outer edge. Then taking the liner up and from the outer corner and creating a wing shape. I then took the darkest shade in the palette and applied that to the edge of the liner. This creates that smoky effect with the eyeshadow. And then blending it out with whatever was left on my crease brush. This makes sure no shadows are lost in the blending process. Next, I went in with that transition shade again, just to make sure everything was nice and seamless. And I then took a highlighter shade and applied that to the brow bone and inner corner. This makes sure that everything stays nice and bright. I then applied some strip lashes on top just to bring the whole look together, and these are from the brand Prima Lash. I then took the first shade we used and continued the shadows underneath the eye. Then taking the darkest shade to add some more depth. And then lastly, a touch of black to keep the smoky effect underneath. After that, I applied a kohl eyeliner pencil to my waterline. And a touch of mascara to the lower lashes. For lipstick, I used the Collection lip liner in Cappuchino. And then applied my favourite Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillowtalk. And lastly, to finish the whole look off, I applied the Fenty Beauté Gloss Bomb. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.